Good evening, friends. I hope you and your family are safe and well. Last lectures we have discussed and we already started the one of the important topic. The name of the topic was branch accounts. In that we have discussed about the independent branch, dependent branch. Then we have discussed about the debtors method. Now under dependent branch or independent branch, how we will bifurcate, that we have discussed. Now debtors methods that we have discussed, this method is adopted in the in those branches which are small. Under this system, head office open a separate account for each branch. It is called as a branch account, and for the purpose of find out the profit or loss. Branch account is prepared in head office books only. Under this system, head office consider branch as a debtor and accounting entries are made treating branch as a personal accounts. And there are so many entries, so many transactions they can do. So today we will talk about the how to write the journal entries by using debtor system, that we will talk today. Debtor system, first we will discuss about the accounting entries. Goods sent to branch by head office or any other branch. So entry will be branch account debit, branch account debit to goods sent to branch account. This is an entry we will pass. Now second transaction that we are going to discuss, that is goods returned by branch to head office or any other branch. It is exactly opposite entry. First entry's opposite entry will be goods sent to branch account debit. Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. This is a entry for, we can say that, goods returned by branch to head office. Now third entry that we are going to discuss, cash remitted to branch, cash remitted to branch or paid to others. Entry, now first of all, cash remitted means payment, cash payment to branch or paid to others. It means cash paid to others or cash payment to branch. So entry, now cash goes out, so entry will be branch account debit to cash or bank account. Whenever the cash paid, cash remitted to branch, branch is a receiver, debit the receiver, the branch account debit, and cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. The cash goes out, so entry we have to pass branch account debit to cash or bank account. Now next entry, expenses in respect of branch paid by head office. Expenses in respect of branch paid by head office. So entry will be same entry whatever we wrote in this third transaction. Branch account debit to cash or bank account. I hope you understood. Whenever the cash paid to branch, expenses in respect of branch paid by the head office, entry same entry we have to write, we have to pass. So these things you have to keep in mind. These four entries are very important whenever we will talk about general entries. That time these four entries are repeated in every problem. Whenever we will talk about the problems, that time these entries are very important. Now next entry that we are going to learn, that is next entry that we are going to learn, that is a provision for expenses relating to branch or outstanding expenses at branch payable by head office. The outstanding expenses, how we will write the entry? The entry will be branch account debit to outstanding expenses account. I hope you understood the entry how we will write. Now next entry, entry number 6, cash remitted by branch, not a to branch, by branch to head office. Cash remitted, cash paid by branch to head office. Cash paid by branch, so cash account debit, cash or bank account debit to what? To branch account. The cash comes in from branch, the cash account debit to branch account. Next, amount received from customers, and other sundry income of branch by head office. The amount received from customer and other income of branch by head office. The same entry pass, whatever entry we pass in second 6 number transaction. Cash or bank account debit to branch account. Cash received cash comes in from customer, the cash or bank account debit to branch account. Any income received by head office, so these are entries. One thing you should keep in mind, these are all entries in the books of head office, in the books of head office. Next, goods received from customer Good received from customers of branch by head office. Goods received from customer of branch by head office. So entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Ninth number entry, goods sent to branch account transfer to trading account at the end of accounting period. Goods sent to branch account transferred to trading account at the end of the accounting period. So entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to purchase account or trading account. Whenever the goods sent to branch account transfer to trading account, entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to purchases account or trading account. Next, profit or loss at branch. Profit or loss at branch. The entry will be branch account debit. Entry will be branch account debit to profit and loss account. To profit or loss account. Now next entry, 11 number, assets at the branch at the end of the accounting year. Entry will be branch assets account debit to branch account. Branch assets account debit to branch account. Next, liabilities at the branch at the end of the accounting year. Entry will be branch account debit to branch liabilities account. See friends, how we will write the entry number 13. Next is intra branch transfer. Intra, or we can say inter branch transfer of goods or cash or any assets. Entry will be receiving branch account debit to giving branch account. Receiving branch account debit to giving branch account. Next, goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch but not received by the branch. So it is called goods in transit. It is called goods in transit. So entry will be goods in transit account debit to branch account. Goods sent to branch but not received by branch. So goods in transit account debit to branch account. Now next entry, cash sent to branch. Cash sent to branch but not received. So here we can say that cash in transit account debit to branch account. Now next is entry number 16. Transfer of branch profit to general profit and loss account. The entry will be branch account debit to general profit and loss account. So see friends, these are the important entries that we have discussed right now. Total 16 entries are there. So these entries in the books of head office, we have discussed the dependent branch accounting. In that data system, first entry, goods sent to branch by head office or any other branch. Entry will be branch account debit to goods sent to branch account. Next, goods returned by branch to head office or any other branch. So entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Cash remitted by branch or paid to others. Entry will be branch account debit to cash or bank account. Expenses in respect of the branch paid by head office, branch account debit to cash or bank account. Provision for expenses relating to the branch or outstanding expenses at branch payable by the head office. Entry will be branch account debit to outstanding expenses account. Cash remitted by the branch to head office, cash or bank account debit to branch account. Cash received from customer or other sundry incomes of the branch by head office. Entry will be cash or bank account debit to branch account. Goods received from customer of branch by head office. Entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to branch account. Then goods sent to branch account transfer to trading account at the end of the accounting period. Entry will be goods sent to branch account debit to purchases account or trading account. Profit or loss at branch account debit to profit and loss account. Assets at the branch at the end of the accounting year, branch assets account debit to branch account. Liabilities at the branch at the end of the accounting year, entry will be branch account debit to branch liabilities account. Then inter-branch transfer of goods or cash or any other assets, receiving branch account debit to giving branch account. Goods sent to branch but not received by the branch, goods in transit account debit to branch account. Then cash sent to branch but not received, cash in transit account debit to branch account. Transfer of the branch profit to general profit and loss account, the branch account debit to general profit and loss account. So I hope you understood these kinds of journal entries which are very important. Okay, we will discuss this same thing in our next lectures. Okay, bye.